Hey YouTube, today we're going to be looking at one, two, three covers for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. Okay, so the first cover you're looking at is from Poetic. Got this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, so I bought this from Amazon because I was looking for a cover, but Samsung had ran out at the time I ordered my Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. So let's see how this fits. So like a Batman suit, supposed to be very protective. Okay, so it's in. Okay. So this protects the Tab 4 and also has a pen slot. You can put your pen in, keeps it snug, you won't lose it. Has a rubbery finish. Has a camera slot available. Pretty nice. You can charge it. Has a USB-C slot, headphone jack. Pretty nice. Okay, let's check out the other one. This is the OEM Samsung book cover keyboard. Okay, so we'll take this one out. Put this one in. Okay, great. Okay. What I like about this one is it allows you to have automatic access to Samsung DeX. So what I like most about this keyboard is it allows you to use your Samsung Tab S4 as a laptop. Easily allows you to key in the function keys so you can type whatever you want to type. Good for meetings, good for taking notes at any kind of conference you might be at. This is one of the best keyboards available for the Samsung Tab 4 if you need to type at a certain time. Okay, let's look at the next keyboard on the list. This is the Samsung book cover. And this is good for when you don't need a keyboard. You just simply need the tablet itself. And it slips right in. So let's take this one out and put this one in, see what it looks like. This is good also. Holds your S Pen. Has a wake function as soon as you open up the cover. Has your camera slot in the back. Good camera cutout. You can easily use the headphone jack or plug it into your USB-C. Okay, great. So these are the 3 covers for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more.